Anatomical Directional Terms Part 4. Proximal and Distal. These terms are mostly used in the limbs and tubular structures. If we move towards the trunk or point of attachment, then we are moving proximal. Proximal means towards the trunk or near the origin or point of attachment. If we move away from the trunk or point of attachment, then we are moving distal. Distal means away from the trunk or far from the origin or attachment. You can remember it as distal means distant or far away. Let's look at some examples. Wrist is proximal to the fingers because wrist is closer to the trunk than the fingers. Elbow is proximal to the wrist because the elbow is closer to the trunk than the wrist. Remember, proximal means towards the trunk. We can also say it as wrist is distal to the elbow because the wrist is away from the trunk than the elbow. Fingers are distal to the wrist because fingers are away from the trunk than the wrist. I hope you are clear. Thank you.